According to the influential, prominent, profound German philosopher and an exponent of objective idealism, Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel said, genuine tragedies in the world are not conflicts between right and wrong, they are conflicts between two rights, meaning the most genuine and authentic tragedies and adversities in the world are not necessarily between one who is right and the other who is wrong, and that means tragedies do not always concern a right or wrong, acceptable or unacceptable, good or evil, but tragedies may also sometimes be concerned with one's character, authenticity, morality, knowledge, experience, wisdom. And when he puts all of those conditions and virtues into test in the external world and societal conditions and sees whether his qualities and virtues works or they just fail miserably because of lack of security, wisdom, maturity, etc. So it's not always about being either right or wrong, but it's always something more that we're not always able to recognize or understand, obviously because of our own ignorance, pride, vanity, arrogance, aggression, etc. And we're also sometimes frustrated and desperate in our lives that we believe that all the bad things are happening to us and we're suffering from and dealing with all the tragedies, sufferings and sorrows in the world that there is, when in reality everyone is struggling with some kind of pain, conflict, torment, torture or another that they don't always express because again of their responsibility, character, morality, etc. But the most genuine and the most tragic tragedies and misfortunes in the world can be considered to be between those two parties or people who are right, equal, just and fair in their character, perception, morality, understanding, knowledge, experience, authenticity, sovereignty, etc. So when two people of the same character, credibility, authenticity, and fairness and justice fight against one another over superiority and the establishment of supremacy either in the society or in the region, then that constitutes obviously not only suffering, pain, conflict, but also that amounts to a tragedy which is genuine and authentic and not unreal or fake. So that's how tragedies work out between two right people in the world, two people that are equal.